Today we're working on a 97 Lincoln Town Car. This car has the 4.6 liter V8 in it, and it doesn't idle. It likes to just shut off. So here's the idle air control valve. We're going to take it off, and this is supposed to control the amount of air that goes into the intake when it's at an idle. And if this stops working, your engine dies and will not stay running. So that's where we are. So we took this off. Now we need some 8mm. That one's too long. Eight millimeter. There's one here and there's one on the bottom. Got to move the speedometer and cruise control cables out of the way. This one goes over to the cruise control. You want to be careful of this gasket. You don't want that to get messed up. Otherwise you got to buy a new one of those. So that bottom bolt, so I didn't drop it, I just left it kind of in there and pulled it out, because you could drop that real easy. So I'm definitely going to put a trap right there, a sticky trap. So we got the new part. TV222. Came with a new gasket, so we don't have to use the old gasket. That's nice. I gotta find my old part. There it is. Here's the two bolts. Accelerator cable. It's right there. That bottom bolt, that's going to be some excitement. Almost dropped my socket. My little extension on here. It's got the little gripper on it. That bottom one is a bit of a challenge. Just make sure you get it threaded in before you let go of it. So you'll be searching for it with a magnet. Then we tighten both bolts and plug in this wire. Got to kind of find that one blind. Don't want to break it off. All right, let's plug in air hose. And the wire. I gotta go get a battery so we can see if it idles now. Well, I guess it took a second for it to relearn it, but it is idling now. It didn't do that before. So I got my mount strap in here. We'll see what happens. This thing's got a rattle, so the top of the shock mount needs to be replaced. And in order to do that, we're gonna have to cut off that. I don't know, that may be too rusty to get off of there. That may be a chore. Well, looks like the mount strap worked.